Morning, day 3, heading to Baden-baden. Had a nice stop in Tier last night. Apologise if any pronunciation's wrong. Typical British tourist. It started to rain, so we're all suited up, as you can see, and today was my chosen route, so apparently that means I've got to lead the group, which is great fun. Really nice stay in the restaurant hotel last night. Can't remember the name, I'll put it up here. Really nice breakfast actually, cracking. So we've got about 2 hours, 2.5 hours to Baden-baden. Hoping to get away from the rain, but we shall wait and see. Today we're heading into the Black Forest, and that's where we stay tonight. Black Forest, Best Western I believe. And tomorrow on to the Nürburgring. A wee treat tomorrow actually. Typically for me, I forgot to change the orientation on my phone, so I'm now having to read the map upside down, which you can probably see. I think that brings us on to a touring information tip section. If you are in charge of directions, turn your orientation of your phone to normal, not auto orientation. That way you don't have to read the map upside down, it doesn't keep changing whenever your phone moves in your tank bag. That being said, if you have, like I do, Cardo Pack Talk or a decent intercom, it will tell you your navigation over music or intercom that you listen to anyway, so it's all good in the hood, as they say.
So ein Jodler Liebeleid, der bringt Stimmung und macht Freud. Wie ein heller Sonnenschein leuchtet ins Herz hinein.
Oh, nice. Okay, we've got 24 kilometers to our next turn. Do you know what the German is for petrol? Ah, okay. What? Okay. Yeah, tunnel coming up. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Okay, I'll take an exit. Ah, that's okay. That's alright. Well, what did you on that side? Oh well, looks like we're going to diversion. That's alright. We'll find our way. For the Harley riders today, open face helmets. Freezing man. Here we go again. That's everybody behind you, and I am coming. Is it Baden-baden, yeah? Oh, it's a very Baden-baden. Oh, it's a B500, yeah? I really need to stop doing the fake German accent. Oh, we have a tunnel. Yeah, I love the tunnels. Welcome to the 19th series of Grand Designs, presented by Gloves and Bungee. Oh, that's a nice house. Oh, that was yellow. That's brilliant. Oh yeah. Yeah. A big yellow house there, eh? Yeah, push. That's it. If you own a car like that, there's no way you go through the tunnels just at normal speed. Just get one of those LED light bars to go across the back of somebody's bike that says sorry, sorry, sorry. Just repeating it over and over again. This is the B500. Jeez, wee bits of chuckies and everything on the corners. Well, ladies and gents, I can safely say this will not be the fastest B500 or the most knee-downy. It is soaking wet, I'm wet, and if truth be told, I don't know where the hell we're going, so enjoy the ride through. I'm not going to speak. Enjoy the noise and the views, and we'll catch you at the end. For reference, this is the B500 to Friedrich Strata, I believe.